Do you want to buy a house? Then your worries are over.
For sale, sale.
Mewasem Debbie Demao. Yes, it's for sale. It's a 5-bedroom gated houses with a beautiful view and serene. All for sale. A dining in our Tantra Hills estate. Into here be a fraying. They're very affordable. You can simply call us on 050-338-7037.
Ebusamu akwaba eba too much GH. Ene de so Shata Wale ne mame trend yi pa na the Shata Wale din na trend. Na trend yi nyina mu na akọ raise other issues aba. Efia Schwarz nigga abetro bomb adwene pa be kasa. And so many other people so ebuefu. Me no kase Shata Wale so aye video responding to the mame video wa ba ye aye too much GH mesro say ni dey mo subscribe my page we ni mi adoma na so say na me upload bia so na onsa ebetimi aka. Ebusia Shata Wale claim say or spending 13 months ewo ni mame yem. Now with regards to be I was spending 13 good months there. Ne ehunu say e was say onya a positive feeling towards his mother. But this situation, I'm not for just Shata Wale has been a very good son, but ne mame enye. Ne mame for so well just to tarnish his image and his reputation because in someone kofobetiafa Abranti Honobeya and Simon Bejina so idea are discrediting when you're the first, when you're the second, and when you're the third.
The bloggers, if they want no information about you, my mother where you interview her, and my mother the thing they do there, you know say when I verse, then you go stop going because the things I'm going to talk for internet up, you go verse. You go stop go internet. You go stop go radio. My mother. Nobody can tell me about my mother. You understand me? Anybody will know Nima market. Me and my brother Blade. Then we stay Nima. Anybody will know him mother. We want no information. Me go ask him mother. Who my mother be? What I tell him about my mother. Since we are speak about my mother to him. The time they tell me say my mother make her hold down. My mother. Bad man. Anybody will talk about me anyhow and since the only thing I could do is say, you see this, you see this man. My first weight in my chest. You see this, you see Psalm 35. If you are going to read for a top, if like finish, go read down. But me I be scary. Me I be scary. Me I be demonic. Make nobody seem like that. Me I be spirits. I be something. But I'm not God. But that man God, he give me something. When nobody for Ghana get time. Nobody for Ghana get time. Where you go tell me anything, where you go touch my heart. Me where they work, where they give people money, I they throw money around, I they do, I they buy properties, I they do shit. I can't rent for my mother. You're modest. The way you put the check things, you're modest. And some of you where they talk about my mother, you know, get money watch your mother, and you go face that thing. Me, where I dey throw money, I dey share money. Me, where I dey dash people money, I dey give people money. Me, where I dey show people cash, I dey buy people cash. Me, I know if you watch my mother. Your mother. Your mother. Every day you paint some picture for me and I keep asking myself, why? Is it because I look gangster to yes, I'm gangster. I be gangster, you understand what I'm saying? But that gangster, I don't use it on innocent people. If you listen to my song, I say me I evil, but me not trouble innocent people. Don't see me like that, oh. Me, you go to talk something, I will say the thing they talk, it makes sense. But you see, don't go off course. Today, media people get time when they interview my mother. This one called my mother, then can't put my mother. You see all media people when they interview my mother like this. I say, I go use something, you go see something. Because you people, you try me, you won't find fault for Shata Wale. You just won't get fault. So nobody sit down and think, say, fault today someplace. Because everybody is saying like, oh, we shut out, you ever good anymore, see, you ever channel, I crowd that one thing, it be so this year, man. It be so this year. God will burn your family. And somebody for your family could die. You don't go see prosperity. You don't go see prosperity. If you sow it, see him. Believe him like that. My mother. Then you put the carry on. You put the carry on. So what if they check and they say the woman maybe by mistake, maybe something they worry on? What you both say you do to my career? You won't kill him. Before you go kill my career, you go leave. Yeah, see me, I pray hard. Make most of you leave and see what I go do. Before you die, a painful one. Why did you see that thing? My mother, they put them for, put them for radio because, hey, bad man, make I tell you something. Hey, do you fear them? Do you fear them? Now, bet me, because Ope concern too much. Like Jimmy Yode too much. Jimmy Yode, you go fit die. Bad man, you dey go someplace, somebody they fight for your house, say enter there, say you go stop. They go fit cut you.
My mini video be no chese for 10 years ni ohun Shata Wale krada. Na ne ba ni po nim be a woda.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Elsie Evelyn Avamagam. I am the biological mother of Shata Wale. My son, since about some 10 and more years now, I haven't spoken with him. He doesn't know where I live, he doesn't know what I eat. But I think I can go with it like that. Now it has gotten to a time that my health has just dropped in. I am seriously ill. I am not well at all. And Sherita Mausi Ahateku is the one that takes me here and there. Oh God, me here and there. Now the thing has become severe for me. Please, what she is saying, she is not lying at all. And yes, I was trying to roll. And yes, I was dada. And yes, and some are walking in ano. Or bonny trouble, my better baby. Hey, no crapper, me yari. Me sister, kitwa them. And I may was say, I may travel with you. Me yari, me home family. Me yari baby, me home family. Me nyabri wow, me nyabri wasa. Me babri wakrai. But I want children are dream. And I'm many my yet to say, Mammy Pinisa. Ayamia, Aya Shata Wale Mamina, dear money monana, Ayonwa, and Amas.
But Yebeka say Shata Wale talk man ma me kuraponu. Just about 2 years, 3 years ni. There's so many things uncle for can see for Shata Wale and him mame.
Baby, stop drinking alcohol so that you'll be free. Stop drinking alcohol so that you'll be free. Being Shata Wale's mother is not a career. Every day, that's about the third time or the fourth time you are bringing your family issue to the media. Wouldn't you man mom bet me Shata Kasa? But Busiano, and wouldn't you Busiafo? Shata beto calm. So what happened between time or talk and now? And then the breaking relationship, no? Ah? Ubaka says I won't say Shata and cut 10 years. Shata talk calm how many years me? Ah? Ubaka says won't say Shata and cut 10 years. Shata talk calm how many years me? What the fuck is self-entitlement like that?
The Kofui Eke no minim the way I was so when Tia says if I chero. Say Shata Wale perform enough yana say onye ni was away because Shata Wale crab confirm say watu fiama ono ane girlfriend oba one ne wo ne first born on ware ne yempon watu fiama no.
Majesty Mami, of my car at the journey at the Koto fee. I saw it as a good thing. Ye giant. When I met her, I bought her a house, bought her a car, and gave her a whole lot of dollars. Like, Mintumin kind, recently, Mineno court, and I was telling the judge, Mintumin kind. Because I give her money like that. I don't, because I feel Mineno will covenant me. I can't say all those things are mistakes. My first baby mother, Mineno wo no. Na di bia woni skase, no woni skase, ene skase, do. Wa kese me wa me niama, benne oti estate mu, matoka man. What must I say?
Ain't I'm not for of the view say if you are able to buy or if you bought a house for your girlfriend, how much more your mother? If your girlfriend had cars which were given by you, how much more your mother? Ebusia, the way I issue Mr. Fatia no meet me jina no mon conclude on the whole issue because I think say and same say a proponasi a yet me fan ba out here. But Mr. So do comment ebe to bontin. Ni ewu wo so de wonim ana de wo so wadwene esifa kyerɛw na famous so se ne di mo a subscribe for my page we le mi adoma no se na me upload bia so na unsa betimaka I too much me trending news spiritual issues and political issues and I'm the bro all the time makrao